Hello and welcome to Craft Drawer. We are going to explore the wonderful world of Christmas crafts to make using the exciting craft kits from Mary Maxim. If you would like to explore any of the kits, you will find them through the links in the description below. The first kit we are going to check out is the Christmas Cow Ornaments Kit. These adorable Highland cow ornaments are a great way to add to your holiday decor. The kit includes wool felt, floss, needle and instructions to make a set of 4 as shown. Size 4 inches. Next we'll explore the cardinal on branch quilted ornament. This unique quilted ornament looks hand-sewn, but it's not. No sewing required. Simply fold fabric and pin in place with easy-to-follow instructions. Size 3 inches diameter. The Deer Gnomes Crochet Kit is an adorable duo that adds a little fun to your winter decor. Kit includes DK weight yarn, jingle bells and pattern. Requires crochet hooks D3, E4 and polyfill. Approximate size 10.5 inches tall. Intermediate crochet. North Pole This Way felt stocking is a fun way to celebrate the holidays with this festive stocking. Kit includes stamped felts, cotton embroidery floss, sequins, beads, needles and instructions. Size 18 inches long. Knit the Christmas snowman, a cute character to add to your holiday decor. Kit includes DK weight yarn, buttons and pattern. Requires needles sizes 2, 2.75 mm, and 3, 3.25 mm, and polyfill. Size 10.5 inches tall. The Snowman Quilt Magic Kit. Use the Quilt Magic Punch tool to tuck fabric pieces into the pre-cut grooves. No sewing or gluing. Kit includes a laser-cut foam board and fabrics. Size 12 inches by 12 inches. North Pole This Way felt tree skirt. Give your tree a handmade touch to enhance your holiday decor. Kit includes stamped felts, cotton embroidery floss, sequins, beads, needles and instructions. Size 43 inches diameter. Reindeer beaded ornaments. The perfect addition for your Christmas tree. Kit includes all components to make set of 5. Size 1.5 by 3.75 inches. Snowflakes and Snowman Plastic Canvas Ensemble. This frosty fella is having fun amongst the falling snowflakes. This snowman wall hanging and snowflake tissue box cover will add some winter excitement to your decor. Each kit includes 7 mesh plastic canvas and acrylic yarn. Wall hanging size, 16 inches by 23 inches. Tissue box cover fits boutique size box. Crochet snowman bag. Deliver your gifts in style with this snowy fella. Kit includes premier anti-pilling everyday bulky yarn, buttons and pattern. Requires crochet hooks J10 and L11. Size 16 inches high. Christmas reindeer and snowman. Add a touch of whimsy to your holiday decor. Kit includes DK weight yarn, trims and pattern to make both characters. Requires crochet hook E4 and polyfill. Approximate size 5 inches tall sitting. Santa Gnome Knit Kit. This adorable kit includes DK weight yarn and pattern to make 2 gnomes. Requires needles size 2 and polyfill. Approximate size 7.5 inches tall. Winterland Window Frame Plastic Canvas Kit. A beautiful piece to hang on your wall. Kit includes wooden frame, 7 mesh plastic canvas, acrylic yarn and pattern. Available in black or white frame. Size 11.75 inches by 15.75 inches. Holiday Puppy Truck Paint by Number Kit. Kit includes easy-to-use acrylic paints, a canvas textured board printed with the design, a fine tip brush and instructions with a chart, plus tips and techniques to create your own masterpiece. Stained Glass Nativity Diamond Art Kit. Diamond art painting is a creative hobby that's taking the crafting world by storm. You simply apply colorful resin rhinestones to richly pigmented canvas paintings to make a visually dazzling, mosaic diamond artwork that sparkles, shimmers and shines. Each kit includes high-quality self-adhesive canvas with printed detailed design chart, stylus, dry glue pad, 1 craft tray and reusable zip lock bags with pre-sorted acrylic diamonds. Snow in Love Crochet Kit. This adorable couple will bring smiles from all when added to your holiday decor. Kit includes Mary Maxim Starlet yarn, Mary Maxim Maximum Value yarn, buttons, safety eyes and pattern to make both snowmen. These are just a few of the pattern kits available. There are many more fun and interesting patterns to make for Christmas. Just visit the link in the description below for these wonderful holiday pattern kits. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more great ideas and crafts.